Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, did it yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And before any updating, just want to do some house cleaning and get rid of these lines up here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion, so I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update, though, that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about $2 as that level of support, but now that the price is below it, this would be the shorter term level of resistance going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week. So if the price is going to get any sort of momentum to the upside, that first hurdle that definitely needs to be cleared is at that $2 mark. If the bulls can indeed clear above the $2 mark, then the next key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. And really no point in talking about the purple line until, the price can first get, up above that $2 mark. So one level of resistance at a time, and then again, first hurdle right there at $2. As far as levels of support are concerned, at this point in time, it's really about kind of the most famous moving average of them all, and that is down here, the pink line there, the 200-period simple moving average. Even if you just have a very surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that from a bullish perspective at least, you want to see the price stay above that because that implies that the long-term overall trend is still in the bulls' favor. As it stands right now, price is not even close to, testing that pink line, but just from a more so kind of bigger picture type perspective, as it stands, that is definitely the next key overall area of support. So all in all, not the greatest day to day, another pullback, but again, big picture perspective, the price is still up above that 200-period simple moving average, so you still got to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt when it comes to the long-term trend. So we'll see how this week continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.